Right guys, Dean. I sent Dean away 5-6 weeks ago because he's had micropigmentation, which is the tattoos. Personally, I've seen a lot of quite good work on it, and Dean's looked okay, but you've had two, haven't you, Dean?
Yeah.
Yeah, and like I said, the second session, you didn't think, what did you do? It got patches.
Yeah, when I go over the same dots, obviously the ink spreads a bit, so you start getting patches.
So it can look like a bit like a tattoo here, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Nice tattoos, by the way, mate.
Cheers.
I've got one, it's on my arse. You want to see it? Sorry, good resist that. Right, so the poor bloke has come in, bobble hat on, just to do this. So I'm going to do a video of doing a template, because I asked him to grow his hair because it was shaven. So, do the reveal, mate. Right, so only done well. So on this area here, the micropigmentation, in all fairness, I think it looks quite good. Right, so Dean, for a living, you know, works in the trade and that kind of stuff, and he's a rank worker, so he spent most of the time with a bubble hat on, so well done, mate. So right, so I'm going to go and get my dolly trolley, as I call it. Do I look like someone from British Airways?
Yes. Yeah, roaster.
So I'm going to do a template quickly, and then we're going to send this off for the custom to be made. But now I can see Dean's hair colour, but before that I couldn't see it at all. So this won't take long. Throw that on the floor. Right, okay. So if you bring your, were you right or left-handed, Dean?
Right-handed.
Right, just a couple of fingers there. So for me this is quite, oh, welcome to the beast as well. Got to introduce the beast. For me this is quite easy now because I can see where I need to draw the lines in. Left hand up and hold there. Just hold it like that. That's it. So what have your mates been saying since you told them you're having it done? Taking the piss?
Yeah, we're taking
Try
the
not
piss.
to swear.
Yeah,
taking the piss is alright though.
Yeah.
Yeah,
but then they know like I'm bad with conferences and stuff, so some are like supportive and some are yeah.
Just taking the mickey, right?
Yeah.
So this, go and hold this one here.
Sorry.
Left hand there. That's it. Yeah, well, it's getting easier to do something about your hair loss now, so. But you spotted us on Instagram, didn't you?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Right, keep hold of that one, Dean. Come and hold there. Right, so, very easy for me to do. So I mark off where the healthy hair is, just inside it. And because I got the micropigmentation as a guideline, it's quite easy for me to follow this. And what I have to do, if you see me marking this out, what I have to do is put the hair system just in front of where the micropigmentation is. Pretty much where that blue line is, because the pigmentation starts just above it. And then the graduation will avoid seeing the micropigmentation. It's going to be like watching paint dry now. Ready?
Yeah.
It's watching paint dry now. Told you to get used to me.
Yeah.
Can you believe how brave he's been doing this? Can't see the gun, can you, behind it? Oh, there we go. What I plan doing with Dean is taking him step by step through the hair system, do the hair system fitting, and then regularly come in and see me, and we're going to do videos together how I teach people, and then those videos are going to be available for everybody on the web. Because I've done this before, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow.
Brilliant wrapping Christmas presents.
Yeah. I don't buy any Christmas presents. I'm still like, get a card, put money in it for my niece and nephews. You know what I've been doing recently, where they like, it's missing Christmas and their birthdays and sending them a day or two after with a penalty fine. So, So now 25 quid become 35 quid with a late fee. They're loving it. Right, there we go. Okay. This is, I'll come in now and show you. This is the template, and you can see by the blue line that's where the micropigmentation was. So I will go in front of that and we'll go from there. So you'll be seeing Dean in a couple of months. Say goodbye, Dean.
Cheer out.
There's a clock in here, is it a bomb?
Yeah, ticking.
I just got to check, haven't you? I thought, what's that clock behind me?
I just got my hair done.
Yeah, don't do that. Look at that. 12 weeks later, look at him. Fantastic. I got 3 mirrors there. Just introduce myself. Hey. Now let's go to the good looking one.
Oh.
Oh, see, look, so you knew it was you then. Right, here we go. Let's have a look. Give us a spin on the chair, Dean. That's it. Oh, dude, looks fantastic. Stay there a second. Alright, I'm just going to come in. Say Colin's done a great job, and we've just gone just in front of the micropigmentation. And it looks great. We just turn to that side a bit. There we go. And then a nice little skin fade. Look, this shows how old I am, Dean, right? Yeah. It's actually called a short back and sides, mate. And now they call it skin fade. Right, so honestly, mate, what do you reckon, honestly?
Oh, 1,000,000% my confidence is going to be just massive.
That may not be a good thing then.
No, yeah.
Yeah. Because I heard you don't like that anyway.
Yeah.
Right, so it's you're going away soon, aren't you?
Yeah.
Right, so well, good luck with that.
Cheers.
But keep going round.
My birthday present, so.
Alright, there we go. Brilliant, fantastic. Turn around again. Is that your dodgy knee?
Yeah.
It's a bit struggling there, weren't you? Right then, that's cool. Right, so enjoy the rest of the night, mate.
Cheers, buddy.